Kasur unang mulai kala ay porsyite yo yak sarkar ban suspend ya USP ke East Jaintia Hills District ba USP City jong Shillong namar bakilayalam ya kenhun ban siat yo ba Sheriff Sarfil thank you lem kumta kinumission benda ha ke peace committee kani kalong hadin ke jingelang bat umentri rang ba o konrat sangma umentri rang ba sembut uba person tensong bat kiwede menteri kabalalong ha sekretariat haswa kani kalong ke jingelang apeng sarkar ba kenhun na mulai banyak ren halo ke jingdawa ke jongki
Mendapat Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Chief Secretary, Additional Chief Secretary. Kejungan kejongi yang ini nakaliang kasur kena mulai. Kalong bangiwan ban demands naga government awak tiadon katukat ni keba ngila hun. Henry Keming kebangim pat senguhun kedai halor ke suspension ya gitu ki pulut ki badan keti khamtam ya u DSP USP jang ke East Jaintia Hills bat kumjuru jang DSP DSP jang ke
SP City in charge.
SP DSP SP Shillong City in charge kibolong ki khmat ki bayalam ya ke tim ban let ban siat yap ya ba shire sapa dang kejing tiapang te habide ba kene kat kum kejing karan jangi bat ki hek sarkar ha kejing lam jang Chief Minister ngiladap keren syai bangim hun ya kene haladaf him pat ay ka suspension ya gini kamar gide gimen ki badan keti ya kani kakam dan nakaliang kejongi ngistik ya kani namar ladala ban solve ya kani ka songsuk songsain kan wan ha pok sna mulai ka songsuk songsain kan wan ha pok East Coast Hills bat ha ka rihasi Jaintia hi brok away te kani gede ga demands ka ba ngimpat hun bat ngikran penting nar hne ba nakaliang kejongi ni ai puar ya ke sarkar sitayo lada kampala benlek ya kani ke benta kemut nakaliang ke jongiru minum la ban ong ai ya ki bami hadian jangkata tekani ke jing diman ke jongi ke ba belong concern ke bawa concern do nak benta kani ke jing ke bangi kendu pok mulai
te hadian arkanta ai bang wilayah song meeting amat ka hun jong CM mat minister jong dekat ber chief secretary dekat mat ki NGO borok jong pemulai jadi mulai tahun lebar di bentuk aduk birang wasnong sekretari senong hakawi kasur jong kino mulai de kejungan kejungi ni ni ban syai mo yuan ban submit bet ya gitu ki jingdawa kejungi yuan ban submit itu jingdawa ki memorandum kabala simrai ha kejingilang kaba menen kesengi kadoi beje hang taya po mulai medaki endorse sport sahang kat bat ngilayo ban ya pensngo ya gitu ki jingdawa nakaliang kisur memulai kejungi bat khamtam ka point ka bahmat do kalong ba ka sarkar jela ka depan suspension ya kitu kipulit iba involved ya katu kejing set yap ya iba si khalai tarik namar ngi ba sarkar hadu menta ka klem simlale ya kitu kipulit kibala set yap kibala kala kita kinong peniak beriu gilawang ya ka sarkar ba ka depan pengat kes iki haka criminal case Bangilaw yang sarkaru balai ba ka suspend ban ya itu kipulit kasih kijungi ki basa kani itu ka ya katu kali hang tu po mulai makon ro te ya kaju kapor usiam haba u ajingkran nakaliang kejung ulah panpor pan nangi lai banai ulah ong pan aipor ba kandon ka inquiry apo lai banai ba ngin sayo ban simpat ikirai ban le habide ki badan keti tengi ngilakaran mana 3 months for 3-minute shoot ngilaong mo 3 months for 3-minute shoot okay ai ba kata inquiry kan yat in their own course Henry ni ban ngi kwa ba kani kakam kadai ban penstek no nakaliang kasarkar ba kadai ban suspend no what shwa ya kini ki brio ki pulet ki badang keti ki ba penyap ni ba sia tu kesengi haka khalai tarik kanang ba kanumdon kanu ka tampa lani ka jingno silang lani ban lesing ala badong ban monitor nakaliang ka government habide bakani inquiry de na ni kada ban kandon kata ka fair trial kandon ka fair inquiry suspension no ya kideki pulet ki badang keti ba penyap ya iba sia ka khalai tarik
Henry nakaliang umentri rang ba ulak kentaj ban kular ya kejing dawa ki kenhun namolai da ka baong ba ka judicial inquiry ban clear da chairman ka Meghalaya Human Rights Commission kan peklut ya kejing don kambaro
Regarding the issue of action against the individuals who were involved, we have informed all the members that a judicial inquiry has been set up. And this judicial inquiry will look into all the details of this particular incident that took place on 13th. And we have asked the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission chairperson, Justice Pai Pai, to head this judicial inquiry. So therefore, him being the chairman of the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission and also being the chairperson of this inquiry committee, it will be serving both the purposes from the human rights aspect and also ensuring that this judicial inquiry is given complete freedom and independence and full power to look into all aspects of this particular case. And based on that, we have also mentioned and informed all the members that only once the reports come into us, only when we find out the details, only then will it be able to identify who were responsible for what action, and only then will it be possible for us to take action in terms of suspension or any other kind of extreme order or action that has to be taken. And that the government is committed to doing that. But once the judicial inquiry report comes in giving us all details of the case. Apart from that, they also mentioned about different actions being taken. So we will look into that aspect. We told them that the government will examine all options and the government will take a call. So we have asked them to leave that to the wisdom of the government. But as I said, that the judicial inquiry has been set up and we are confident that very soon the report will come, and based on that report we will take necessary action. Apart from that, they have also mentioned about the fact that in the future these kind of raids or this kind of operations should be done in close coordination with also the headmen. So we've informed all of them that yes, accordingly appropriate procedures will always be followed, and in the future also we will ensure that more steps are taken in order to take people into confidence in such cases in the future also. And at the end, we have appealed to the headmen and all the leaders who have come from all different organizations that they must work together with the government, because it is in the large interest of the people of Shillong City and the state as a whole that we have peace, and we should all work together to move forward to ensure that there is peace in the city and in the state.